Welcome to Speak English, where you can subscribe to top-notch English learning videos and coaching courses that help you speak with confidence, clarity, and standout style. Our Idioms in Your Inbox series is designed to teach you common idiomatic expressions in English, but one at a time, so that you really have a chance to absorb them and slowly start adding them to your English vocabulary or repertoire. So our first idiom is bang for the buck. Have you heard this one before? Can you guess what it means if not? Well, basically, a bang for the buck implies that something provides a great value for the money or the time invested. So in this case, we could say, Bespeak's Idioms in Your Inbox series is a real bang for the buck because it teaches you hundreds of idioms for free. Or how about this example that actually involves spending money? That gym's monthly membership includes so many fitness classes and facilities. It's an awesome bang for your buck. I think I'll sign up, right? Or how about one more? The daily lunch special at that new deli includes not only a drink, but also a slice of pie. What an awesome bang for your buck. Let's go. So where does this expression come from? Well, it originated back in the 1950s when it referred to national security policies, in which bang was implied literally to mean the amount of combat power, or bang, per dollar invested by the U.S. military. Go figure. Bounce for the ounce was apparently another expression used at that time, but for some reason, that one didn't become as widely used as bang for the buck, which you'll still hear quite often today. Now, why is it bang for the buck instead of bang for the dollar? Well, primarily because it sounds better with the alliteration of bang and buck, right? So what is a buck? Well, a buck is slang for $1, and it dates back to the time when we used buckskin or deerskin as our currency, right? So you might say that, what am I holding? 10 bucks. $10, 10 bucks. I'm going to use this and go to that new deli and get the lunch special, which is an awesome bang for my buck. How are you going to use that expression today? I hope you'll have fun with it, and I look forward to seeing you next time with our Idioms in Your Inbox.